Yes, welcome to you all in this online class. My dear student, today I want to say you how will you revise your chapter, right? By giving the example on that basis of, by giving this example, you have to, you have to do this work now and you can complete your work, I mean, especially the revisional work, right? So point wise, I am going to discuss. You have to learn it. Stop that, please. Okay, now first of all, the chapter is our state government. This chapter you have revised. This chapter you have revised. Then how will you prepare your subject matter? You will make the point in such a way, right? You will make the point in such a way and you will, yes sir, wait 1 minute, just now I'm coming. Now listen, in this way, uh, rank of India in the terms of area, right? The rank of India in the terms, in the term of area. This type of question can be raised, right? This type of question can be raised. Naturally, you know, the rank of India in the terms of area is 7. You will prepare in this way at your home, right? That is 7. What is the total area of India? You know, total area of our country is 3.28 square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometer, right? Million square kilometer, okay? A square kilometer. Now, square kilometer. Now, next question is what? A square kilometer, right? Due to the net problem, it happens so. Now, next question, what is the total number of states in India? You will make this type of list at your home in your copy. It will very easy to learn the main and important question answer. First, how many? 28. Now, it is hanged, so I cannot write here. Okay, so only you have to do it by yourself. Let me to speak, later on I will say you. Next is total number of UT. Total number of state is 28. Here 2 is written, so you do not take it in proper way. You do not think that it is correct. No. So it should be neglected. Total number of UT, Union Territories, 9. Who governs the state? The state government, I mean the governor and chief minister. But correct answer is what? Correct answer is the state government, right? The state government. The state government. Next question is, who administers the UT? Who administers the UT, Union Territories? Correct answer is the President through Lieutenant Governor. The President through Lieutenant Governor or Chief Commissioner. So in this way you can prepare your answer. Is it okay? Now next is what? First 5-6 questions in this way you will repeat. Rank of India is 7, total area 3.28 million square kilometer, right? Square million square kilometer. Next, total number of state is 28. Total number of UT is 9. Who governs the state? State government. Who administers the UT, Union Territories? The President through Lieutenant Governor or Chief Commissioner. Okay, so in this way, this type of answer you have to prepare. Okay, this type of answer you prepare. Next is, next slide you will see. Okay, here always you are getting permission for admit. You always are getting permission for admit. Now, so in this way, these are the important facts you must have to learn. You have to prepare this type of question answer at your home. Now, next slide you are going to learn, that is about the division, how this division is done. Division of powers, divisions of power in the state government. Divisions of power in subject list. Actually, both the government have power to make the law on the different subjects. There should not be any kind of conflict between two. That is why all the subject matters are divided into 3 lists: the union list, the state list, and concurrent list, right? What are the total number of the subjects? You will write, because this type of question can be raised, right? This type of question can be raised. How many subjects are there in union list? How many subjects are there in state list, right? And how many subjects are there in concurrent list, right? The union list total subject is 97. State list, how many? 66. And concurrent list, 47 subjects. And you know, on the subject of union list, union government or central government make the law. The subjects mentioned in the state list, state government make the law, and the subject described in or mentioned in concurrent list, both the state and national government makes the law as per their as per the demands or interests or needs of each of them. Name of the lawmaking organization. What is the name of the lawmaking organization in state? The name of lawmaking organization is legislative body or legislature, right? Name of lawmaking organization is state legislature. State legislature makes the law for whole nation. How many types of legislatures are there? There are 2 types. Now, how many types are there? There are 2 types, right? What are that types of their unicameral and bicameral. Now, next is here you will write. I am not writing here knowingly. I have I have kept it vacant because this is the question-based teaching. I have not given the answer verbally. I am telling you the answer, and I am knowing the answer on behalf of you also, from your side also, that you are chatting. So knowingly I have written, but as you know, its total number of subject is 97. Union state list में कितना है? 66. Now it is old one, new is something different, and this one is 47. Now law making body is what? State legislature. What is known as state legislature? Legislature, right? State legislature. Number of state having bicameral is how many? How many states are there? One day before we have discussed. There are 6. Now, how many? There are 6. So in this way, on that basis, you can prepare your answer set and question set. How many subject? In how many list all the subjects of the country over which the law can be made is divided? There are three types: the union list, the state list, and concurrent list. No doubt, one more list is there, and that is called residuary list. That is not mentioned in your book, but you should learn all the subjects that are not included in these subjects are kept in residuary subject, that is related with upcoming problems or the demands related subject, computer related subject. Now, in this way, this type of answer you will prepare. Now, next is, I have already told there are 6 states where there are bicameral states. You know, bicameral states, bicameral having states having bicameral legislature. I am sorry, here should be bicameral legislature. Okay, so there are 6: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. Here there are 2 houses. 2 houses means legislative council and legislative assembly. Harshita, sit in a proper way and off your video option. Off your video option. Now you can chat if you have the problem. So in this way, these are the states now where bicameral legislatures are there. These are first Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala. Now next is division of powers in the subject list you have learned just now. Next, first you know from this side different types of questions are asked. 1 or 2 1-mark question is surely asked, so be very careful about this thing. Now, these slides are very important. You should learn. You should make some question answer on that basis. Now, next is this slide you have already seen. Now, here you see Legislative Assembly. What is its term? For how many years this is formed? Everyone you know, 5 years. Now, how many years? 5 years. For 5 years, this is constituted. Now, this is a assembly. Now, Legislative Assembly, you know, for 5 years, it is constituted. How many members are maximum member of the Legislative Assembly? Should be how much? Everyone you know, 500. Next, minimum number should be here. It is already written here 60. but Mizoram has 40. It is this type of case, exceptional case. Member in Bihar, how many seats in Legislative Assembly in Bihar is there? You everyone know, 243. Now, this type of question can be asked. Member in UP, you know, member in UP, how many? 404, that is written in your book. Okay, Mizoram, in Mizoram, you know, 40, how many? 40. Minimum age of a person to be the member of Legislative Assembly. What is the minimum age? Minimum age is 25 years. Is it clear? So these are the important questions that you must learn. Okay. Now next is officials. Now officials. Officials. Speaker, Deputy Speaker. These are the two of Legislative Assembly. LA stands for Legislative Assembly, right? Legislative Assembly. Two, Speaker and Deputy Speaker, and state government is formed by Chief Minister, Council of Ministers, and Governor. Speaker is elected for 5 years. Speaker is elected by the elected members of Legislative Assembly. Deputy Speaker is a working hand, especially in absence of Speaker. Deputy Speaker does the work of Speaker. Now, main work of Speaker is what? To maintain rules and regulation and discipline in the Assembly. CM means Chief Minister. Chief Minister is appointed by the governor of the state, but he is not free to appoint anyone as a Chief Minister. Chief Minister can only Chief Minister can only such person be appointed who is the leader of the majority party in state legislature, right? There are many political parties which contest election. Which party, the party which gets maximum seats, or the party which gets, of which member elects in maximum number, they elect their leader, and that leader is entitled to be the Chief Minister, because only such person can be appointed as the Chief Minister by the governor of the state. After that, Chief Minister makes a list of ministers, Council of Ministers, and it is presented before the governor. After his approval, they are declared as the minister, and this group of ministers along with CM is known as the Council of Ministers. Next, the nominal head or constitutional head of the state is governor, who is appointed by the president, and in this way these persons are the important officials of under the state government, right? So these are the important facts that you can learn very easily. Okay, you have to make some long question answer based on these topics, about 5 marks or 3 marks, regarding 5 or 3 marks questions. Right. For example, what is the work of CM or Council of Minister? What is the function of governor? What is the function of state legislature? All these things are already sent, or already you have written. Now, I think it is the best thing. I think it is a very good way to revise the chapter, and you will say through your chat have you liked it or not, or if you have any problem, you can write, you can say about it. Now I am going to unmute you all and you can learn. I will give you the WhatsApp number also and the email, I'm sorry, link I'm going to send you. Okay. All of you doing proper way. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Are you doing? Is it open? Is it open? Chat, right? Yes or no? Yes, sir. I will see you have said yes, sir. Okay. Due to the net problem, it may be. Okay, Shreya also no problem. HTTPS colon / testmos.com/3935684. Ayush Kumar, what are you doing? Ayush Kumar, Ayush, Antika Jana has entered the waiting room. Okay. Now, Ayush, what are you doing? Do not share screen. Switch off your button. Switch off your video. Hey, who is sharing it?